Here's a problem every engineer hits eventually, and the elegant fix behind it. Imagine needing HTTP work for the first time. Sending a postcard. A request goes out. A reply comes back. Anyone could read it. That everyday picture is exactly what HTTP work does for computers. Most people get HTTP work wrong from the start. Many think HTTP work does everything by magic, and that confusion costs them later. HTTP work exists for a clear reason. The protocol the web is built on. The simplest way to picture it: sending a postcard. A request goes out. A reply comes back. Anyone could read it. Think of it like this. Here's how it actually works. Sending a postcard. A request goes out. A reply comes back. Anyone could read it. Follow the flow end to end. Input arrives. Each part does its one job, and a correct result comes out, reliably, every time. Wait. One click is actually dozens of round trips. DNS, TCP, TLS, then HTML, then a cascade of CSS/JS/image requests. Loading one page is a conversation, not a sentence. This actually happened. The 2016 Dyn DNS attack took down half the internet. Dyn/Twitter/Netflix, 2016. DNS is a single point of failure you don't control. If names can't resolve, working servers are invisible. The biggest myth: HTTP work does everything by magic. In reality, HTTP work follows clear, understandable rules. There's no magic. The takeaway: by now you can explain what HTTP is. Once it clicks, HTTP work stops being scary and becomes a tool you reach for with confidence. Go build something with it. That's the whole point. If this made HTTP work finally click, follow Tech with Joel, a new tech concept explained every day. What should we teach next? Subscribe to Tech with Joel.